Hello everyone, welcome to Study Time. In this video, we are going to see Class 4 EVS Chapter 14 Basva's Farm. The purpose of this video is to make kids understand the answers or just for reference only. Students are highly recommended to write their own answers. So here, this is a story about agriculture and farming. We'll see few terms before we get into the chapter. First, we'll see what is agriculture. The science, art and business of cultivating soil, producing crops and raising livestock is called as agriculture. So you have to be very clear about agriculture and farming. So agriculture is overall process, whereas farming is growing crops or keeping animals by people for food and raw materials. So farming is a part of agriculture. Then what is farm? A farm is a piece of land used to grow crops and or raise animals. So that is a place. Farm is a place. Then who are farmers? People who grow these plants or raise these animals are called as farmers. So this type of work is called as farming. Next, in this chapter we are going to see about Basva's farm. So there is a boy named Basva. His father is a farmer. They all live in a village in Karnataka. The village name is Belvanika. In the month of July, like every year, his appa started to prepare the field to sow the onion crop. So this onion crop they sow every year during the month of July. So there are so many things to be done at this time. So to help his appa, Basva also got into the field. So his appa was using this iron rod. So you can see in this picture this iron rod to dig the soil, loosen it and make it soft. So this iron rod is used to make the soil soft, loosen it and dig. So next we'll discuss few questions. First one, in Basva's area an implement called Kunti is used to loosen the soil. What is the kind of implement called in your area? Draw it and discuss. Here this is iron rod. So you can write iron rod or any other local name which you call it. So here I have written Kunti. Second question, find out from a farmer or some elders in your family what kind of crops are grown in your area. So each area the crop might be different. So some area you can see rice more, some area you can see ragi, some area you can see wheat. So you can ask your parents or elders to know what kind of crops are grown in your area. So vegetables, mustard, rice, gram, maize, wheat. Next question, what other ways could be used to plow the fields instead of animals? So there are ways which could be used to plow the fields instead of animals. Usually we use animals to plow the fields. So what are the other ways can be used? So tractors can be used to plow the fields instead of animals. So here the picture is given for reference. Next, so after digging the soil, the second step is sowing the seeds. So this year also Basva's appa sows onion seeds. Here he wants to sow onion seeds. The bullocks will pull the kurunj and appa will walk behind them sprinkling the seeds. So this is how, so we can see the picture here, this is how they sprinkle the seeds. So Basva also would like to do this just like his appa, but his appa says that it is necessary to drop the right amount of seeds at a particular regular distance. So you can see the picture. So here it should be, the seeds should be sowed in a particular distance. So this is not easy for a kid to do. So he says that Basva may drop too many seeds at one place. So it should be at a regular distance. So he says that he must wait till he become older to be able to do this properly. So after sowing the seeds, we'll see what happens. So after sowing the seeds, it is now 20 days. After 20 days, since the seeds were sown, he saw sprouts appearing. So you can see the sprouts appearing here. So along with onion plants, weeds have also come up. So these weeds are unnecessary thing which automatically grows without being planted. So Appa says that we must remove the weeds so that they do not take up all the water and fertilizers. So these are unwanted plants which grow in between the agricultural plants. So you have to remove this because these weeds take up all the water and fertilizers. If there are too many weeds, then the actual onion plants will not be healthy. So because since it takes all the water and fertilizers which we use for onion plants, so the onion plants will not be healthy if there are too many weeds. So Amma, uncle and Baswa all helped to remove the weeds. So next we'll see what happens. So Baswa was very happy to see that plants are growing. So he can see they are tall and they reached till his knees. The leaves have started turning yellow and drying up. This means the onions are ready to taken out. So now the plants are ready. Do you know why? Everyone at home will have to work to take the onions out. So you saw Amma, Appa, his uncle, Baswa all together worked to take this onion. So it is important that this should be done at the right time. So if it is late, the onions will rot in the ground itself and all the work will be wasted. So draw any crop which you have seen in the field. So you can write rice, wheat or whichever crop you have seen, you can write. Baswa helps his father in the field. Do you help the elders in your family in their work? What do you help with? So you can write whether you help in your help cleaning the house or buying essentials, whatever help you do at your home, you can share here. Do you enjoy doing the work? Yes, I enjoy doing that work. Whether you enjoy, whether you like or don't like, you can write here. Next step is the onion crop. Everyone at home is happy. This time the onions are big and healthy. So it is very big and healthy. Amma and auntie use the illage to cut the dried leaves from the top of the onions. So they use this particular illage which is sharp. So they used this to cut the dried leaves from the top of the onions. So here Amma, Appa and uncle are here. So they were filling the sacks with onions. So Appa will make them in a truck to sell in the big market. So they pack these in a sack and they sell them in a big market. So we'll discuss few more questions. Why is Baswa not able to attend school for some days? So Baswa is not able to attend school for some days as he needs to help his father with his field work. Are there any fields near your house? What is grown there? So you can write what crops like rice, wheat, ragi. So what crop is grown here, you can write. Baswa's Appa takes the onion to the market in the truck. Think how would fresh fruits and vegetables to be taken to another place if there were no proper roads. So if there were no proper roads, we cannot move the fruits and vegetables from one place to another. It will be very difficult to carry fruits and vegetables if there were no proper roads. The previous years, people carried fruits and vegetables and crops to the market in bullock carts, boats, donkeys, etc. What kind of vehicles are used to carry fruits and vegetables? Draw a picture of any one of these vehicles in your notebook. So apart from so the previous ancient days they used bullock carts. So now you can write rickshaw, tempo, trucks, tractors. So all these are used to carry fruits and vegetables. Next, find out and write. Given here are some pictures of some implements used by Baswa's family. Write the names of that implements. So also write what these are called in your area, what work they are they used for. So here a picture is given, you're going to write the name and you're going to write the local name and what it is used for. So the name is Courage and the name in your area is Kudal. So the work might be plowing. Next, this is Kunti. The name in your area might be iron rod. So this is used for digging. So this is Ilinch. So name in your area may be cutter, sickle or any other you can write. The work is for cutting vegetables or crops. Many steps are needed to grow crops. Look at the pictures and mark them in the correct order. So we saw many steps are needed to grow crops. After going through all these steps, we get food in our hand. So shall we see the steps? Yes. First is you have to loosen the soil. Second, you have to sow the seeds. Third, you have to remove the weeds. Next, fourth, you have to cut large plants. Next, take onions out. Then you have to pack onions in sacks. So after going all these steps, we get food in our hand. So we should not waste our food. So because it has gone through all many people hard work, so you should not waste food. We should respect farmers and agriculture. Find out about a crop that is grown in your area. Also find out the steps that are part of this work. So you can draw them in your notebook about rice, wheat or ragi. So whichever crop that is grown in your area, you can write the steps and you can draw. So here I have mentioned few crop. You can write about any other crop that is grown in your area. You have to write the steps and you have to draw them in the notebook. So in this chapter we saw what is farming, what are the steps for a particular crop, what kind of hard work they put. So all these details we saw in this chapter. Hope this video is useful and understanding. Thank you all. We'll see in the next video.